Next performer, Jaya, is based in Virginia, USA. With a background in architecture and construction management, her musical journey began at the age of 10 when her father introduced her to Rag Khamaj. Though life and career took her away from music for a while, her passion was reignited in 2020 when she restarted her journey with me. And she continued her music with music lessons. Now she dedicates her time to both her 2.5-year-old daughter and her love for singing. Today, she presents Rag Des, bringing its beauty to life through her performance. Let's welcome Jaya with a big round of applause.
Hi everyone, I'm Jaya and I'm presenting a bandish from Rag Des today from Thaat Khamaj. इसका वादी स्वर पंचम है एंड संवादी ऋषभ, जाति ऑर्डर संपूर्ण एंड टाइम ऑफ सिंगिंग रात्रि का दूसरा पहर. So here it goes. पार लगा दे रे मोरी नैया, पार लगा दे रे मोरी नैया, पढ़ू तोर पैया कुंवर कन्हैया, पार लगा दे रे मोरी नैया, पढ़ू तोर पैया कुंवर कन्हैया, पार लगा दे, पार लगा दे, पार लगा दे. पार लगा दे पार लगा दे तुम सब जग के हो रखवैया, तुम सब जग के हो रखवैया, हो रखवैया। तुम सब जग के, तुम सब जग के हो रखवैया। तुम सब जग के हो रखवैया। तुम सब जग के हो रखवैया, तुम सब जग के हो रखवैया। तुम भव सागर पार करैया, तुम ही प्रणव पितु मैया, पढ़ु तोर पैया कुंवर कन्हैया। पार लगा दे रे मोरी नैया, पढ़ु तोर पैया कुंवर कन्हैया। पार लगा दे। पार लगा दे रे मोरी नैया, पार लगा दे रे मोरी नैया, पढ़ु तोर पैया कुंवर कन्हैया। पार लगा दे रे मोरी नैया, पढ़ु तोर पैया कन्हैया पार लगा दे। पार लगा दे। आ आ पार लगा दे। आ पार लगा दे। आ पार लगा दे। पार लगा दे रे मोरी नैया, पार लगा दे। पार लगा दे। पार लगा दे।
Amazing. Jaya, that
Thank
was
you.
just brilliant.
Thank
Where
you.
are you? Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you.
Here.
Here. Yes. Okay. That was such a beautiful and mind-blowing performance. I think everybody agrees with me that you just nailed it. And it just shows your amount of dedication and passion that you have shown all these years. We started in June 2020.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's almost
Well,
5 years.
well, it's all thanks to you,
So
honestly.
sweet,
Yeah.
so sweet.
Yeah, you have always tried to, push me to do even better and better and better. And yeah, I'm amazed with myself too that I've gotten to that point, you know.
I'm sure. You have beautiful, tremendous potential and a beautiful voice, and I can see that you will even take on higher realms. So amazing and
That's very kind of you.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming today and sharing such a beautiful performance with all of us.
Thank you so much. Thank you
All
for
right.
giving me the opportunity to do that.
So sweet. Do you want to share anything specific that you really like about our classes with
Oh
everyone?
yeah, well, everything for one. But I was trying to think about like what to say here. Then I remembered this incident where I was trying to do an unplugged version of this classical song. It's semi-classical, Tere Mere Milan Ki Rana, with a guitarist, and he was a brilliant guitarist, but he was having trouble figuring out the actual notes where this music in between that comes, that ding 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 ding. So within 2 minutes, I was sitting in front of him, and within 2 minutes, I was able to, give him the notes, sing the sargam, and then give him the notes. And I was like, wow, like, yeah. So that's what I love about this class is that you give us like targeted exercises, and you may help make us focus on things that we need to improve upon, and the result is amazing. I realize now that since last year my vocal range has increased so much, breath control, uh, higher notes, everything. It's an upward hill. So, uh,
Yeah. I'm so proud of you, Jaya, and you're my prodigy student. You should know that.
thank you.
because whatever I gave you tips and tricks to improve, you took it to heart and you practiced, and even though you had a child, you still came back with even more determination that you wanted to excel. So that's a beautiful thing to do. Amazing.
I remember you would say like make the alaps, make the tans. I'm like initially I was like it's so hard, I can't do it. Why can't you just give me the alaps? But now I realize like I've been in numerous places where people have asked me, okay, this is the rag, just sing some sargams or do some swar vistar. And now I'm really able to do that. And thank you very
That's
much
amazing.
for that.
That's amazing. I'm so
It's all because of you.
I'm just a part, just a small part of it, but most of it is your dedication and commitment. And thank you so much.